Hello everybody. I'm working on and have recently fixed the Samsung LCD TV model LNS4692DX /XAA. This model uses a power supply part number BN97-00588A. This power supply is apparently also used in the Samsung TV model LNR469DX /XAA. If you're also working on this TV, you may have stumbled across the service manual on the internet for these various chassis and this model number. But I found some errors in it, and I thought I'd share those with you in the hopes of saving you some time. Notice the connector in the lower right hand corner and upper right hand corner. This is CN1801 and this is CN1802, connector 1801 and connector 1802. Here's the issue I found with the wiring diagram in the service manual. Notice connector 1801 over here, 1802 over here. These are the two connectors that run out to the inverter boards. And notice pins 1 through 5 are marked 24 volts on both connectors. Here's a close-up view of connector 1801 with pin 1 up here and pin 14 down here. And you can see pins 1 and 2 are clearly marked 120 volts, not 24 volts. And if you go up to connector 1802, you can see pin 1 down here, pin 14 up here. Pins 1 and 2 are marked 120 volts. The fact of the matter is they are in fact 120 volts. They are not 24 volts. Anyway, that's the purpose of this particular video. I have several videos on this particular TV set that I'll be publishing, so please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can catch up on all the videos related to the troubleshooting I went through and how I resolved my problem. Hey, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. If this helped you, please help me with a subscription. Thanks for watching.